Good morning, friends. Welcome to another section of With All Your Rights. Attorney Cobo-Estrella here with you. Today we're going to talk a little bit about negligence and what can you do if you suffer injuries as a result of negligence of a federal employee or a federal agency. Sometimes you may be visiting the post office, you may be in a federal facility visiting a federal office, and you may suffer a slip and fall, an accident. You may be traveling down the road, or you may be injured by a vehicle accident where it involves a federal vehicle conducted by a federal employee. What do you do when you believe that you've been injured and suffer physical injuries as a result of negligence of perhaps a federal agency? There is an administrative procedure under the Federal Tort Claims Act that federal law requires you to go through before you file a lawsuit in federal district court. This administrative procedure requires you to file a form within 2 years of the injuries. It's Form 95. This is the form that has to be filled out, and it has to be submitted to the federal agency, and you have to specify who the individuals you believe that caused you injury, caused you harm, what the breach of duty of care, what was negligent consistent of, and you have to specify the medical evidence that you have, also your witnesses. So important that you preserve as much evidence in terms of witnesses, documents, and photos, every piece of evidence that you could possibly have. But you have to comply with this administrative requirement, which is to file the claim under the Federal Tort Claims Act. You may have heard that there are some claims that are being filed across the nation with regards to injuries that some of the members of the military and their families suffered. This includes defective earplugs, combat earplugs. It also includes diseases that may have resulted as a result of toxic waters that were in Camp Lejeune, if you were there stationed before 1983. So these are claims that may be filed through the Federal Tort Claims Act, as I was specifying, but you need to make sure that you act quickly and you have all the evidence with you so you can file this claim. As attorneys, we can help you with this process, but bear in mind, this is a process that you have to comply, before you go to court. So if you're interested in help with requirements of what the negligence, what the breach of duty of care, and how to file your claim through Form 95, and what evidence you may need, be sure to consult with an attorney who might be able to help you with this process. If you need additional information concerning how to file your claim under Form 95 under the Federal Tort Claims Act, be sure to visit our website, Cobolaw, that's COBOLAW.com, and we can give you more information. We can schedule an appointment, review your case, see if there's a possibility that you may have a valid claim. If you do, we're certainly here to help you.